Hello, tech enthusiasts and sensory explorers. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of ASMR gadgets. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a tingling, static-like, deeply relaxing sensation that many people experience in response to specific sounds and visuals. It's like a gentle wave of calm washing over you, and it's becoming increasingly popular for relaxation, stress relief, and even sleep. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone and a video catches your eye. It features someone whispering softly, tapping on different objects, or even brushing their hair. As you listen and watch, you feel a tingling sensation starting at your scalp and spreading down your body. That's ASMR. Now imagine experiencing those same soothing sensations enhanced by cutting-edge technology. That's where ASMR gadgets come in. These gadgets are designed to heighten your ASMR experience, providing a more immersive and enjoyable journey for your senses. Whether you're a seasoned ASMR enthusiast or a curious newcomer, join me as we explore the amazing world of ASMR technology and discover how it can transform your sensory experiences. So what makes a gadget truly ASMR friendly? Well, it's all about those features that tantalize our senses: sound, touch, and sight. First and foremost, sound quality is paramount. Crisp, clear audio is essential for capturing the subtle nuances of ASMR triggers, such as the delicate crinkle of paper, the gentle tapping on wood, or the satisfying click of a keyboard. Imagine the difference between hearing a muffled whisper and experiencing the clarity of each hushed word. That's the power of high-fidelity audio in ASMR gadgets. Discover the magic of Costa Rica. Next, we have tactility. Gadgets with intriguing textures, buttons that provide satisfying feedback, or moving parts that glide smoothly can significantly enhance the ASMR experience. Think about the satisfying click of a retractable pen, the smooth rotation of a phone's volume button, or the gentle vibration of a smartwatch. These tactile sensations can be incredibly soothing and contribute to a heightened ASMR experience. And let's not forget about visual appeal. Close-up shots of sleek designs, mesmerizing patterns, and satisfyingly symmetrical objects can be surprisingly effective visual triggers. Imagine watching a slow-motion video of sand falling through an hourglass, or the mesmerizing movements of a kinetic sculpture. These visuals can be incredibly calming and contribute to a deeply relaxing ASMR experience. Consider your personal triggers, budget, and comfort when choosing. ASMR has taken the internet by storm, promising relaxation, better sleep, and moments of pure calm. ASMR is more than just a trendy internet phenomenon. It's a powerful tool for relaxation, stress relief, and even creative exploration. By embracing ASMR-friendly gadgets and incorporating them into your daily life, you can unlock a world of sensory delight and discover new ways to unwind, de-stress, and tap into your creative potential. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to experience ASMR. What matters most is finding what works best for you and embracing the journey of sensory exploration. So, go ahead, experiment with different gadgets, discover your unique triggers, and unlock the incredible power of ASMR in your life. If you really enjoyed this video, do like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Junkie Hub. And don't forget to share your techies, friend. More hidden technology-related videos coming soon. Explore new technologies. Stay tuned.